Another Benchmade unboxed. Look how big this one is. It's pretty cool find. So let's start, let's say this one. So we got right here Benchmade 490 Vector, and it looks like paid $173. It's actually a pretty cool place I found out in a small city. There's a gun store and everything is much cheaper than buying it on Amazon. So let's see what this one is all about. This one is a little bit different. As you can see, there's locket mechanism, so that way it won't flip out, and also it has this flipper. For my big hands, this is the easiest way to flip it out. I feel like for anybody is the easiest way, the least amount of effort. Anyways, anybody could use it. So to fold it back up, you have this button. Just push it down and fold it back up. Wow, quite hard to fold it back up. It looks like a dagger style, but this end is not sharp. I really love that blade. Okay, let's close it again. Looks like you have to close it with two hands. It is actually tight, but to flip it open, super easy. Did you guys see that? I love Benchmade logo, that butterfly. I need a t-shirt. I have a hat, but I need a t-shirt. What's on this side? 530V, and there's a small print. I cannot read that right now. It says benchmade.com part or something like that. That's cool. Okay, what if I press lock? Yep, if you press lock, it won't close. Will it? No, never mind. Nothing to do with lock, actually. Very, very unique knife right here. I never seen a lock on a knife down here, so could be even a weird folder. So open it, and you see it's not going to close even if you shake it, so you have to close it with two hands, and it won't close unless you push this together. Very beautiful knife. Going to add it onto my collection. What do you guys think? Of course, much bigger handle, bigger knife, very comfortable in my big hands. So this is probably the most simplest knife Benchmade ever made, at least that I have put to the test so far. There's nothing fancy about it. There's no cool way to flip it out, all these spinny things that people do, all these little holes and notch it and mechanism and locks, which I love. This one right here, they went back to basics. And guess what? This thing is very popular. It goes for about $110 on eBay and Amazon. So all you have to do is has this little notch, like back in the day they have for your nail. And you just pull it out with your nail. That's it. And you got yourself a simplest $100 knife. A lot of people love this simple knife, minimalist, whatever you want to call them. When the seller told me about it, I was like, pack it up. I had no idea for $100 they're going to make such a simple knife. And guess what? It is nice, it works. You see how tight that is? You don't need any kind of buttons to open, to close it. All it does is just lift, I guess, inside there. Maybe it doesn't even lift anything, but it's pretty tight to open, close it. I love this shape right here. I love the handle. I don't know what it's made from. There's few pins. There's the ropey thing that you can connect to your pocket or belt loop, so that way you don't lose it. And it's very nice old school design blade. I love it. As simple as that, but very easy and reliable. Open it, close it, doesn't take up a lot of space, and has a pretty nice handle with smooth edges. Very comfortable to work with. Pretty much simple work knife right here. Thumbs up for me. Love this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have a really nice collection of knives. I don't know, I just got into it and I really like it. Okay, next we have here Benchmade 300-1 Axis Flipper. $125 I have paid for this thing. Let's see what we got. Looks like a little bit bigger knife right here. Oh, nice. Check this out. And this is the flipper. That is my favorite way to open it. Looks like it's not assisted, so you kind of have to flick it a little bit, but nothing crazy, just tiny bit. And looks like, boom, all you had to do is just pull on this and flick it close. You see? Keep your fingers away, boom, and it locks it in. Doesn't even have to flick it that hard. I like it. But if you don't flick it, it's not going to open all the way. So not assisted at all. So very easy. Close it. Boom. Beautiful knife. I love right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers grab, and there's the cover. Beautiful. Another logo design. They always have different ones. I like that. What does it say? It says custom bell knives, I think. Super nice. And the last knife, I really got lucky with this one. It was sitting in the back over there. I almost didn't get it, and I asked him, how old is this knife? Is it something that came out new, or has it been a while out? And guess what? This model came out a couple of years ago, he told me, and he probably had it there for 2 years, because I looked online. There's nothing for sale like this knife on eBay, anywhere on the internet, except I saw in May there was one sold on auction for $188. I got so lucky, I only paid $90. Crazy, right? This is a Benchmade 154 BK jungle clip point blue glass. Pretty awesome. This is the biggest Benchmade knife I will own probably for a while, till I find they have something bigger. Okay, there's a leather holster, whatever you want to call it, belt loop. Pretty simple, straightforward. I really like how they finished the edge of the leather. Really beautiful. So let's open it and be careful about it, because whenever he was putting it away, he was saying how they didn't put any kind of insert to it. So you gotta put it in and out pretty carefully. Try to stick to this end, so that way you're not cutting the leather right here. You see what I'm talking about? But yeah, very comfortable jungle clipper. Is that what it's called? Wow, check this out. That's almost like a machete. I was even making jokes in the store. Is that even a knife? $10.95. Benchmade right here. Yeah, very fun. Feels like rubber. Comfortable for my hands anyways. Round handle. And I guess it's orange in case you drop it in a forest. Once you go through jungle, chopping yourself out of it. That way you can see it from far away, or in a camping situation. I don't know. I guess you could be using it for cooking. Really thick blade on this end, but it's really sharp. Wow. Love it. Lucked out on it so much. Even if I wanted to buy it somewhere, they're not for sale. So let's put it away. One more time. I love how they put this stamp on the leather. Beautiful logo they got here. Anyways, let's put it away. I will be never using those knives. I know you probably want me to put them to the test, but that's my collection. Unless I get a used one, I probably would put it to the test, see how I like it, chopping it and on the field and stuff. But these things is my collection. I'm not using them. Okay, this is Benchmade 550-S30V Griptilian. I love this name. Only 90 bucks I paid it here, I guess 91. Plus taxes, don't forget that. 6.5% I think where I bought it was. So you can calculate it yourself how much it come up to. This one is pretty cool. I bought it because it reminds me as a spider core, I guess. Very cool. So spider core, there's a lot of people either flip it this way or open it like this way. I don't know if it's a flipper. Seems to be. It was easy to open it and close it. Look at that. You can even do it with the big thumb. There's so many different ways to open it. I really like that knife. Let's look at it close up real quick. Spider core, I think they have patent for that core. They always have it on their little paper thing. I don't know how come Benchmade has that exact same hole or similar. I have no idea anything about it, but all I know is very comfortable. Check this out. There's ridges for your big thumb. Ridges right here. Very cool. I don't know if it's plastic handle, but it feels pretty good to hold it. Anyways, what's on this side? Mel Perdue design, I think that's what it says, and it's 530V. Okay, I really like it that you can press this button. Oh, let go too soon. And close it like that. Oh wow! It is very easy to open it and close it without holding anything. This is even easier than flipper with one of those things. You can just gravity base. Just flick it. As long as you hold this, you're good. And of course you can do it carefully. Let's see if I can flick it out with not really, unless you press this and nope. So I guess you could do it easy way, quick way, slow way right here. Pretty awesome. I really like this knife. I never seen anything like that to where it's so easy to open and close. Just practice a little bit and be careful. Anyways, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. Honestly, they all very unique and special. This batch of Benchmades probably was the best. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.